Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a fighter in UFC 6. The game gives you plenty of customization options to build exactly the fighter you want. To get started, head over to the play menu and select create fighter. Then choose the plus icon to begin creating a new fighter. Next, select the men's or women's division depending on the fighter you want to make and choose the weight class you'd like them to compete in. After that, pick one of the default fighter templates to get started. Once you're on the fighter creation screen, press triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox to open the advanced customization menu. From here, you'll see several different customization categories. The first one is fighter type, where you can choose your fighter's overall style and fighting archetype. You'll also find the general info section, which lets you customize details such as your fighter's name, nickname, hometown, age, and fighting stance. Next, head over to appearance. This is where you can fully customize how your fighter looks. You can change things like skin tone, hairstyle, facial features, head shape, body type, and much more to create a unique character. There's also clothing and style section, which allows you to customize your fighter's overall look and presentation. Take your time going through each category and adjust the settings however you'd like. You can make your fighter look realistic, recreate a famous athlete, or design an entirely original character. Once you're happy with everything, simply save your fighter and they'll be ready to use in UFC 6. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.